Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to create a mini talk for each chapter, means a mini table of contents for each chapter. This may be useful when you are planning to write a thesis or book in fancy style. Mini talk in each chapter you would have seen in some books. For example, in this book, we can see this is the mini talk. Similar to this, we'll try to create. Here I have one sample of a report prepared using LaTeX. Report, main text file, PDF. There are two chapters and one appendix. This is the report main text file. There are two packages, times for font and geometry for margins. We can open each included file. And also we can see the generated output from the source file. Chapter 1, Chapter 2 and appendix. We'll create a mini talk for each chapter. For this we are going to use a mini talk package. Go to main text file, preamble, use package, mini talk. Then go to individual chapter. After chapter command, write mini talk command. In each chapter, after chapter command, we'll write a mini talk command. And before table of contents, just write do mini talk. Now we have mini talk. We can increase or decrease the talk depth, but it's always better to just use a section heading in the mini talk. So just write here mtc set depth. In curly bracket write mini talk, and in second curly bracket just write the number. Default is 2, means for section and subsection. If you want to include a subsection, then just write 3. I want to just include section, so I'll write 1. We can also change the title. Again write mtc set title mini talk, and write the name of title of the mini talk. If you don't want to print a title, then just leave this bracket as a blank. We can remove the dots. In a optional bracket, just write undotted. We can suppress the page number of each section. Just use command no mtc page numbers. Rather than writing this command in each chapter, we can create one command for all. We'll create one new command. Since this one has been already defined, I'll write chapter, but C will be in uppercase. You can write any name. Then chapter, one argument, write mini talk. But now we'll have to use a new chapter command. Alright, it's working. We can change the color of the rule. For this we'll have to use a color package. First we'll turn off this default rule, okay. Just write mtc set rules mini talk off. Now at this place we'll use a rule command. Line width and thickness I'll take 1 point. Before rule command just use color command. Put this in curly bracket. For correcting this line just use no indent at this place. We can also add mini talk title at this place. So just before this line, write the title. We can set the font size, also color. Put this line also in curly bracket. We can change the spacing, this one and this one. The spacing we can control using a vspace command. Vspace just before this line as well. You can change the length and see which one is working for you. We can also change the background color of this mini talk. For this we'll use MD framed package. Write begin MD framed. At this place we can set the background color. Border of the frame we can remove. Write line width 0 point. It would be looking nice if we can decrease the width of the mini talk. We can use mini page environment. Set the width. Also we can place the mini talk at the center of the page. Write begin center, end center. We can print a page number. We can change the position of a mini talk inside this region. Just write set length MTC indent. This one should be shifted just inside this region. Write a renew command MTC offset. You have to play with these numbers. Alright, now it's looking nice. We can change the space between mini talk and chapter title. Just before begin center, write vspace. In a similar way, you can create a mini list of tables and list of figures, but in general only mini talk is preferred. So that's all, and thanks for watching.